Well, just over 50% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated. KIMT News 3's Alex Dieter spoke with the co-chair of Mayo Clinic's COVID-19 vaccine allocation and distribution work group. Spoke with her earlier today to learn a bit more on how community members can do their part to halt the spread of this disease. And Alex, what exactly did you learn?
That's right, Katie. Today I got to hear from Mayo expert Dr. Melanie Swift about vaccine third doses, booster shots, and how to keep not only ourselves and our community safe, but also the globe. Earlier today, Dr. Melanie Swift told me Mayo Clinic's goal is to get the most people vaccinated. She said community members must do their part by going back to the ways of masking and social distancing.
We really need at this point in the pandemic to renew our commitment to those precautions as well to slow the spread of the virus.
The spread of the Delta variant has prompted the CDC to recommend a third dose of the primary COVID vaccine to those who are immunocompromised. The FDA has approved a booster shot for those individuals to boost their immunity.
We've got to get a much larger number of people getting their initial vaccine. That's how we're going to ultimately bring about the end of the pandemic. We want to remind people that vaccine is still the best line of defense against COVID-19, including the Delta variant.
Dr. Swift reminds us that receiving the COVID vaccination is not just to protect yourself.
There are definitely benefits to your family, to your neighbors, to your friends, to your community for you to get vaccinated over and above protecting yourself. This vaccination helps to protect others as well.
The doctor offers 3 levels when weighing the risks and benefits of the vaccine: personal, community, and global.
Think not just about yourself. Think not just about your community. Think about we have got to all be in this together, do our part to end the global pandemic as well. So I think when we look at the risks and benefits on that broader scale, it becomes much more clear that the benefits clearly point to everyone getting vaccinated if they are at all able to.
Dr. Swift said we should expect to see a continual increase in Delta variant exposures over the next 3 weeks, but reminds the Med City that
it's important that we pull together. I think the best way through this pandemic, and probably the only way through this pandemic, is for us to pull together. We did that at the very beginning, and we are capable of doing that.
Dr. Swift said masks and vaccines should not be politicized, and everyone's life is worth saving. In Rochester, Alex Dieter, KIMT News 3.
Thanks, Alex. This morning, the Mayo Clinic offered the third dose of the COVID vaccine to those who are immunocompromised. There was a line out the door.